Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating restoration journey. A young woman stumbles upon a flooded, rust-covered motorbike that had been swept away and stranded by a recent flood. The frame is caked with dried mud, the metal components show heavy corrosion, and the seat is water-damaged and torn. It's clearly been through a lot, but what she does next is nothing short of impressive. First, she carefully examines the entire body of the bike. With a practiced hand, she gently lifts it from the rocky stream bank, checking the balance and making sure the wheels still rotate. The front wheel is stuck, so she wedges a rod underneath to leverage it loose, an ingenious move showing her mechanical instincts. Next, she hoses the motorbike down thoroughly, using clean water, targeting every joint and crevice to wash away the debris. You can already see the color of the original frame peeking through the rust and dirt. She uses a stiff bristled brush to scrub the surfaces, starting with the chain, then moving to the engine casing, and finally the spokes. After cleaning, she begins disassembling parts with precision. Using just a few basic tools, she removes the seat, the fuel tank, and the plastic fairings. Every screw she turns is another step closer to revival. She lays out each part neatly beside her, wiping them with a cloth soaked in a de-rusting solution. Now comes the real test. She inspects the engine. The kickstarter is jammed. With measured force, she frees it, and then drains the old, murky oil from the crankcase into a metal pan. She replaces it with fresh oil, then checks the air filter, spark plug, and fuel line, replacing each as needed. Finally, she begins the reassembly. Part by part, the bike comes back together under her skilled hands. She realigns the handlebars, resecures the tank, and mounts a replacement seat. Before attempting to start the engine, she gives the frame one final polish, revealing the surprisingly intact paint underneath. She pulls the starter, once, twice, and then, success. The engine rumbles to life, and the smile on her face says it all. From disaster to revival, this video is a perfect example of patience, skill, and mechanical know-how, a truly inspiring restoration story.